LHS Pre-Calculus presents Teaching Trig to the Boy Who Lived.
Harry! Harry!
What, Hermione?
Where are you?
I'm stuck in math class. I can't figure out how to solve a trigonometric equation.
Have you tried Solvio Trigius?
Solvio Trigius!
Mwahahaha.
Darn, guess I'll just have to teach you like always. To solve a trigonomic equation, use standard algebraic techniques such as collecting like terms and factoring. Your preliminary goal is to isolate the trigonomic function involved in the equation. Let's look at a problem. 2 sine x minus 1 equals 0. For this equation, we start by isolating the trigonometric terms, in this case, sine. To do that, we add 1 to the other side. Then we have 2 sine x equals 1. From there, we divide by 2 to isolate sine even more. Then we have sine x equals 1/2. From the trigonometric term is completely isolated, we ask where on a unit circle is sine equal to 1/2.
Sine is at 1/2 at pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6.
Then we have to put it into a general solution. Since the unit circle repeats every 2 pi, we can say that the solution for this problem is x equals pi over 6 plus 2 pi n and 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi n, where n equals a whole integer. Now, let's look at a harder one. Sine x plus sine x equals negative square root 2. We can combine the two signs, having 2 sine x equals negative square root 2. Then we can divide by 2, and we have sine x equals negative square root 2 over 2. Sine is negative square root 2 over 2 at 5 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. And with our general solution, we have 5 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n and 7 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n. If you aren't looking for a general solution, then you can just say 5 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4, if you note that all solutions are from 0 to 2 pi, which is shown in brackets like this.
I understand now, Hermione.
Oh, me too. Solvio Trigius.